Imagine this. It's the end of the month. Your paycheck is gone. Your bank account, a wasteland. And the worst part? You don't even know where your money went. You swear you'll do better next month, but next month comes and the cycle repeats. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't just about how much you make. It's about what you keep and how you use it. And right now, these 10 money habits are keeping you broke. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn things around. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. This one's brutal. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. But here's the kicker. You don't have to be one of them. Treat saving like a bill. Pay yourself first before anything else. Even if it's just $50 per paycheck, start now. Habit 2. Ignoring your expenses. Ever check your bank statement and wonder, wait, who stole my money? Spoiler alert, it was you. But in tiny, forgettable transactions, track every dollar for 1 month. You'll be shocked at what's draining your bank account. Habit 3. Falling for lifestyle. Inflation. Got a raise? Great, but if your spending rises with it, you're not wealthier. You're just better at being broke. Instead of upgrading your car or apartment, upgrade your investments. Let your money make money before you start flexing. Habit 4. Carrying credit card debt. Credit card companies love you because you're paying for past years' bad decisions. With future use money, pay more than the minimum. Prioritize high-interest debt. And if you're only paying the minimum, just know, you're basically renting your own money at 20% interest. Habit 5. Not investing. If your money isn't working for you, you're working for money forever. Start small. Even $5 a day in an S&P 500 index fund could turn into 6 figures over time. Habit 6. Not having an emergency fund. Emergencies aren't if, they're when. And if you don't have a safety net, guess where that money's coming from? Start with $1,000, then build up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Future, you will thank you. Habit 7. Emotional spending. Bad day? Shopping. Good day? Shopping. Bored? Yep, shopping. Set a 48-hour rule. If you want to buy something, wait 2 days. If you still want it, go for it. Most times, you won't. Habit 8. Ignoring financial education. You spent years in school learning algebra, but no one taught you how to build wealth. Read one personal finance book this month. Watch finance videos. Learn, because what you don't know is costing you. Habit 9. Keeping up with the Joneses. The Joneses? They're broke too. Stop competing. Focus on your wealth, your future. Because the people you're trying to impress, they're too busy worrying about their own finances. Habit 10. Waiting for the right time. There is no perfect time to start. Every day you wait is a day you lose. Start now. Small steps, big impact. Here's the truth. Money habits can either keep you broke or make you wealthy. The difference? Action. Which one of these habits are you quitting today? Drop it in the comments. And if you're serious about leveling up financially, I've got more videos that will change the way you think about money. Hit subscribe. Your future self will be very grateful.